It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Silverado. The driver's door has the programmable memory seat, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a premium Bose sound system. All-weather floor mats on the floor. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some lighting controls. A power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio controls. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, programmable garage door opener, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next, we have Chevrolet's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player down below, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, lane departure alert, hill descent control. We also have some USB ports and power plug-in down below, two cup holders, and on top of our center console we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Silverado, we have black tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down the side, remote start, the rear window slider, a tonneau cover, and the Z71 off-road package. This truck also has the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, I'm going to lower down the tailgate. The box of our truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. On the passenger door, we have power windows, cup holders, and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has a power plug-in and some storage compartments. All-weather floor mats on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.